Okay, so hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of December. No, today till the 29th of December, sorry. 31st is coming in the next week. So today till the 29th of December, keep in mind the rules can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. You can trust on me on this for sure. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots or you can mail us if you have any queries. So let's start. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. This is just a normal bracelet. I got it, I guess, for 50 rupees. Just a jingle, just a tree, just normal bracelet. A lot of people are going to ask me this, so I just told you beforehand. We have the 8 of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the 5 of Wands. Wow. So this is someone who is kind of very determined to move on from the situation. At the same time, they can't stop fighting with themselves. They are continuously in this energy of I have to move on, I have to move on, I have to move on. So basically this person is forcing themselves to move on from the situation because they're scared of the future if they will not be able to move on from the situation, and they're continuously in a conflicted state of mind, continuously fighting with themselves all the time regarding this energy of moving on from the situation, right? So they continuously feels like it's important, I have to. Okay, so they are not able to detach from the idea of moving on from the situation, and that is why this is becoming more and more difficult for them to move on from it completely. Let's see what this person wants from you. We have the World card, the Two of Pentacles, the Hanged Man. They want to come out of this on and off, in and out kind of energy of sometimes they're feeling better about the situation, better about this ending or separation. Sometimes they're feeling, my goodness, I want Aries back in my life. Then they are in this energy of, okay, I don't know what I want, I don't know what I feel. Okay, someday I'm good, someday I'm not. So they want to surrender to the divine and they want to be at peace with whatever happened between you guys or whatever is still going on and off, in and out, right? So they definitely want to put an end to this confusion, on and off, in and out kind of situation, and they just want to be in the surrender mode and they just want to be at peace with the situation as much as they can from their side. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Empress, the Temperance, the Lovers. Wow. So they are super focused on their growth and expansion in their own life right now, and they are being patient with this energy of choosing the right person for themselves. So they might be keeping their options open, and or they found somebody with whom they are trying to trying to move on from you completely. I don't see this person coming back towards you. I do see this person trying their best to move on from the situation with all possible ways. Now, I don't see them being in the rebound kind of energy. They are seriously in this energy of trying to connect with somebody with whom they can move on. They can move to the next chapter of their life. So as of now, I don't see them coming back or initiating a conversation or connecting to you because they are continuously fighting with themselves. They are still in their energies on and off, in and out, but they are refusing to connect with you. They're refusing to come back around. In fact, they're trying their best to do whatever they can in order to move on from the situation. I'm sorry for busting your bubble here. So if you're waiting for somebody to come back around, they are waiting for the time and they will be able to completely get over the situation. Completely contrasting energies. Guidance, the 10 of Wands. You have to drop this situation. Okay, you have to drop it. See, when things become out of control, when you feel you have given enough time, enough energy, enough resources to a situation and still it's not working out, still it's giving you stress over stress over stress and nothing more than that, guess what? You need to release the control. You need to surrender to the divine. You just need to remind yourself continuously that you gave your best. If it didn't work out, it doesn't mean that you are at fault or you did something wrong. It means that it was not meant to be. So this situation, this person is in the past for a reason. Okay, honey. So you need to understand the reason, and you have to keep on reminding yourself the reason about this situation, the reason about this no contact, and why this person is in the past, not in the present. Keep on reminding it to yourself, and then keep on telling yourself what is the right thing to do here. You don't need me for that. You know yourself, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.